Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Y'all thought I wasn't doing nothing for Easter? What's wrong with y'all? But first, I'd like to thank the Almighty God for giving us the opportunity to shoot my show. Thank you for my family, my friends. Without this sun down, we didn't have any of this, the abundant life. So let's get with it. So today what I got on the smoker is some ribs. And those ribs I had seasoned last night with that top Texas spice and let them marinate in the refrigerator all night long. And then I made some barbecue sauce, some homemade Kansas City style barbecue sauce. And I got a couple of pieces of sausage on there. And then I'm gonna have some baked beans. That's right, I'm gonna make some baked beans with bacon, put them in the oven, and then I'm making homemade potato salad. You'll see it real soon. So look at those ribs with that top Texas spice on there. Oh my God. Now this is what your ribs supposed to look like, baby. Oh my God. Ooh, and look at those baked beans. Wow. And got my famous potato salad. Amazing. Man, that's it for Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. We're right here for you, baby. Last but not least, beasting it.